Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Samsung Galaxy A21S mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and rear cover. Next, insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While pulling out the back cover, be gentle, the fingerprint is attached to the back cover. First, disconnect the fingerprint plug and then take out the back cover. Next, undo 15 screws on the rear cover mid-frame, and then using a plastic cut pry tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to separate the plastic clips. Next, take out the rear cover mid-frame and then disconnect the battery plug and both ends on the main flex cable. Next, remove the broken battery. First apply a little heat to soften the glue under it, and then use a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive under it. Be gentle in this process and pull out the battery using a pry tool. Next, place the new battery on the body by adding adhesive. Next, place the main flex and connect it to the main logic board and secondary board. Next, secure the battery connector and place the mid-frame in the body by adding 15 screws. Make sure to verify the clips have secured before adding screws. Next, take out the fingerprint sensor from the back cover. Apply a little heat to soften the glue and gently push to take out the flakes. And then connect the fingerprint flakes to the logic board and then place the main back cover to the body. Before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the battery replacement guide on Samsung Galaxy A21S mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.